I'm about to show you how to make a mouth-watering chicken Alfredo that's creamy, rich, and oh so satisfying. Start by cooking your favorite pasta until it's al dente. While that's boiling, grill some seasoned chicken breasts until they're golden and juicy. In a separate pan, melt butter and add minced garlic, letting it sizzle just until fragrant. Pour in heavy cream and let it simmer, then stir in grated Parmesan cheese until it's smooth and luscious. Toss the cooked pasta in the sauce, slice up that grilled chicken, and mix it all together. Finish with a sprinkle of parsley and a dash of black pepper. Trust me, this dish will have everyone coming back for seconds.